Windsor, Santiago. Okay, ang ganda ng sagot niya rin. Kung siya daw nga ano yan at ano, siya daw the best niyang ano, na presidente, si Miriam.
Pinaka-the best. Ang tanong sa kanya.
Ang tanong sa asa na balikin siya.
Mas gusto niya talaga si Miriam.
Kasi nga Ilongga nga raw.
Siyempre taga-Iloilo yun. Ang dami pa.
Top 60.
Ano ko?
Nagkaroon ng issue kasi daw yan daw si ano. Nagano daw na may nag-cheater daw sa kanya na yung
May
question o yung question. Kaya pinag-aaralan na daw niya yung answer.
Nabigay. Kung baga na may leakage na nagbigay. May nagbigay na ng leakage. Ganun.
Tapos yung kumanta niyan, Ilonggo rin.
Ay,
Yung kumanta ng ano nila, Ilonggo rin kumanta.
Yung nag-ano, harana. Kung baka parang harana.
Dilag. Sama siya. Biliran. Yung mga suot nila. Puro medyo nga maiitim nga ngayon ng ano.
Mga contestant. May antike dyan eh. May antike dyan ng sumali. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong place niya.
Sa Baguio nila ginanap eh. Sa yung Miss Universe ito, Philippines. Tapos nung nagtawagan na sila yung first, second, third, ay Albay. Nag-back out dun, wala siyang picture sa dapat, lima sila dyan.
Sino?
Nag-back out yung isa, yung taga Quezon City.
Bakit nag-back out?
Uwi na daw ng maaga.
Bakit?
Kaya wala siyang ano.
Wala siyang nakuha.
Wala siyang picture na kung baga lima sila ba, na dapat iba kukunan sila. Yung first, second runner-up, third runner-up, ganun.
Pang ilan ba yung ano?
Kasi kalimutan ko na kasi, basta nanood ako ng ano. Yan, Bohol. Nakuha rin yan si Bohol. Sa lima sila. Sa Bohol, Cavite. Bohol, Cavite, Quezon City, Iloilo, tsaka yung isa, sinuha isa. Kalimutan ko isa.
Ganda niya.
Nalagay siya na. Kuha nga siya eh. Kasama siya sa top 5. Top 5. Kuha siya. Yung pagpipilian na ba na top 5?
Kainin ko muna ng isda. Gutom pala kasi.
Yan na yata sa hindi pa.
Ay, aklan.
Aklan.
Yan, aklan. May antike dyan eh.
Grabe baking suit nila. Takas ng ano.
One piece sila ngayon, no?
Meron pa. Hindi,
Meron
pagdating ka na may 2 piece. Ito yata siya eh. Ayan, Iloilo. Rabia Mateo.
Si Rabia Mateo.
Sino?
Ay, oo, ganda ng katawan niya.
Tignan mo yung ano niya, yung tsura niya.
Ganda ng katawan niya.
Pag nakita mo yung India, ganyan na ganyan din ang itsura.
Ganda.
Hindi nila akalain na magkakaparehas sila ng itsura. Oo, yung mga ano, yung mga...
Ganda ng ano niya. Ganda ng
sila
katawan niya.
mayaman, yung ano lang sila yung kanto.
Ilong ko na naman.
Kasi nito.
Cebu.
Hindi yan nakuha. Dito nakuha sa top 5.
Hindi siya maano sa marumampay, oh. Kasi minsan, Minsan din kasi sa appeal din yun eh.
16 lang yan pumasok dyan. Sa ano. Yung 16 na yan pinapakita na ano. Yan sa swimsuit. Yan kasama si Rabia.
Ano, tapos na? Alam mo ba, nabitin naman ako.
May nakakita daw sa kanya na nagbigay daw ng ano.
Ng leakage.
No, edi sabihin sana nila.
Ginagawa lang nila yun para magkaroon ng issue-issue.
Paano diba ay nila tumanggap ng pagkatalo?
Yan naman.
Yan, Cavite.
Ay, bakit nakapagpapit? Ay, wala ko.
Maiksi lang buhok niya. Kasama siya sa ano,
Top 16?
top 5.
Wala na.
Hindi ko alam kung first runner-up siya o second runner-up siya sa ano. Ayun o. Kaya yung katawan niya rin o. Kayat din.
Maganda din katawan niya. Ha?
Meron pa hindi marunong umikot yun.
Pero naman eh, hindi man ano yung perfecto.
Ano nga? Tignan natin yung question and answer. Yun yung tignan mo. English kasi yung ano. Pero tinagalog yun yung ano eh. Ano pala si Inday?
Ha?
Sa Miles?
Ay, kala ko na.
Kasi sabi
Huwag ka di ba
niya,
makit ng amo niya?
Huwag daw pakitin kasi mag-aaral daw yung amo niya.
May online school siguro.
Kaya daw niya may school.
Okay. Apay ka ngayon.
Ay, dito tayo sa top 5. Top 5 question and answer. Ayan dito. Si Aw na, alam niyo. Pinatulan na lang yung sahod na. 100. Gumagawa sila ng parol. Ipintura sila ng parol. 100 isang araw. 100 sa isang araw. Sabi niya nga, best, okay na. Kahit trabaho, may trabaho ka pa rin dyan.
Ayan.
Dito talagang 100 isang araw. Wala ng club eh, sabi niya.
Oo, kasi sarado ngayon, di ba? Lugi talaga sila. Sino yung host niya?
Casey Montero.
Si Casey Montero.
Tingnan mo question and answer.
They will be initially asked one distinct question of each of the top 5. And then this will be immediately followed by one common, relevant, and thought-provoking question for all of our top contenders. This means they won't have the time to rehearse an answer or go over something that they have practiced in their head. All right? So this will definitely test their composure throughout the entire process. So everybody is ready to get this going. I'm sure our candidates are ready, our judges are ready. Consider everyone at 0 again.
Galing rin pala niya mag-edit.
Oo. Ano yan eh? Half yan eh.
Parang si ano, sino to?
Kapatid yan eh. Ano yan eh? Sino ba yung Montero na yan? Troy Montero.
Montero.
Kapatid niya yan.
Yan, si Quezon City. Yan ang nag-back out yung ano. Dapat 5 sila. Kukunan, di ba?
Oo.
Nawala siya. Yung meron silang grupo na ano.
Parang ano siya, natampo siya, ganun.
2 questions. The second of which is the same question for all
Ang ganda na rin naman sagot niya kasi tignan, dire-diretso rin wala siyang ano, bulol o ano.
Kasi yan sa appeal din eh.
to start with you. So
Tsaka sa pagdala ng ano.
Question is actually question number 2. You have 30 seconds
Ayan,
to answer
mama.
this question. At the
Ayan,
end
may
of 30
question.
seconds, you will hear this.
Ayan, pag na yan.
Right after that, I will ask you the question, then I will ask all the other candidates as well, and you have another 30 seconds to answer that as well. Okay? All right. Here we go.
Anak ko, oh.
Our first question.
Ayan na.
If you are under strict quarantine and isolation, what is the most important mobile app for you and why?
Mobile app.
The most important app during this whole quarantine was my Bible. Having faith in the midst of this pandemic was very vital to me, not only for my mental health, but also for my sanity. It got me through the toughest of times. I was able to get through others to the toughest of times, and it kept me centered, and it kept me grounded. And that's the most important thing that I would need in a pandemic. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Are you ready for your second question?
Yes, bring it on!
All right, here it comes.
Yes,
This
bring it on.
pandemic has made clear our priorities, essential and non-essential. Where do pageants stand in this time of crisis?
Ayan, very sad.
Advertise na naman.
Ayan.
Time starts.
As we all know, pageants are a very, very inspiring event, not only to the Philippines, but to every country who supports pageantry. It is important to stage a pageant and to show the Philippines that we are much more than our setbacks and our failures, and that we are able to overcome any adversity. Having a pageant symbolizes hope, and right now on this stage, that
Galing
is...
niya, sumagot.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Quezon City, Michelle Gumabaw.
Diba? Di parang
Gumabaw ah. May dating ano ah, may dating Miss Universe na gumabaw.
Cavite,
Ito anak ko.
aka Billy.
ayan, Cavite sa amin.
Good evening, judges.
All right, Billy, I will ask you 2 questions. You had a chance to pick your question backstage. After 30 seconds, you will hear this. And then I will ask you another question. All right? You ready? Here's your first question. What advice would you give to a first-time voter for the 2022 elections? Time starts.
Pag ano,
Ano taga saan yan?
Cavite.
And hard for our right to suffrage. And this is not something that
Abogada
we should
siguro to ay.
for us to be able to complain and be able to appreciate the things that we have as Filipino citizens. We have to vote. We have to participate in selecting
Parang abogada
our
siya.
leaders. Thank you.
Hindi ko naman.
Thank you
Oh,
very much.
abogada. Ganda na
All
buhok
right,
niya,
here
no?
is your second question. This pandemic has made clear our priorities.
Essential, not essential. Where do pageants stand in this time of crisis?
I am someone who is usually an independent person. But because of this beauty pageant, I realized that I needed to ask for help. That I needed to reach out to people. And same goes for everyone else. To be able to survive something as big as this pandemic, altruism should be practiced and cooperation is always the key.
Galing!
Thank you.
Galing niya mag-English.
New Life Form with active
Nag-advertise
silicone
agad.
gives immunity. It gives 100% stronger germ protection.
جاهزين اللازانيا؟ صراحة أنا عاملة دايت تسقيني. I like what I'm doing.
Thank you very much. Round of applause for Cavite, Kimberly Hackinson. Next up, we shall hear from Bohol,
Yeah,
Pauline
Bohol.
Amalix.
Ayan na. Tignan mo yung ano niya.
Good evening.
Yung suot niya blue.
How are you?
Ang ganda ng gown.
Overwhelmed, but yeah, all in all, very grateful.
Here we go. Count
Ganda niya, oh.
questions. I will ask you 2 questions. One you picked backstage. After you hear 30 seconds, after you talk for 30 seconds, you'll hear this. And then I'll give you another 30 seconds to answer the second question. Are you ready? Okay. Your first question. What factors influence you in deciding on what to buy or post online?
The factors that help me decide that is basically what I want to put out there,
what I want to show the world about myself, how I want to portray myself. What matters most
Ang gagaling nila.
is that we know who we are, that we are true to our authentic selves, and that we always try our best to show and share that to the rest of the world, and hopefully inspire them to do the same.
Galing mo yan. Magagaling ang mga ano ngayon. Mga contestant ngayon. Parang magagaling.
Has made clear our priorities,
Isa lang.
essential and non-essential.
Isa lang yung question, no?
Yung pangalawa, isa
Oo,
lang.
isa lang.
Pero yung una, kanya-kanya ano
I think
sila.
pageants are now an
Titignan nila
amazing
dyan kung
platform
anong
to
magandang
show
sagot
that
dun sa pangalawa eh.
not all
Yan,
our
yan.
dreams are canceled. They're just put on hold. And for us, we're lucky that we're still able to make this one dream come true. To stand here, to spread hope, to rally people together in action and conversation, and spark change. And together, I'm sure we can make a positive impact out there on this stage. That is the essence of beauty pageants in the time of the pandemic.
Thank you very much, ladies
Galing
and
yung sagot
gentlemen.
niya.
Bohol. Pauline Amanix. Now let's call on Iloilo.
Ayan, nasa ilo.
Rubia Mateo.
Yung na.
Parang Indiana nga siya.
How are you doing?
For everybody. Okay. So I will ask you two questions. You're able to choose a number backstage. After you talk for 30 seconds, you will hear this. And then I will ask another question. You'll receive another 30 seconds.
Ayan.
Your first question. If you could create a new paper currency with the image of any Filipino on it, dead or alive, who would it be and why?
If I were given the chance, I would use the face of Miriam Bamison. For those who don't know, she was an Ilongga, but what I admired about her is that she used her knowledge, her voice to serve the country. And I want to be somebody like her, somebody who puts her heart, her passion into action. And after all, she is the best president that we never had.
Okay, it's time for your second question. This pandemic has made clear our priorities, essential or non-essential. Where do pageants stand in this time of crisis?
As a candidate, I know I'm not just the face of beauty in the city, but I am here carrying hope and as a symbol of light in the darkest times. And as of the moment, I want to help my community. I want to use my strength to make an impact. And that is the essence of beauty pageant. It gives us the power to make an impact.
Galing, galing ganda ng sagot niya, te. Ganda sagot niya. Ganda ng sagot.
Diba yung pangkalahatan, yan yung huling question. Kanya, pero kanya-kanya silang ano, diba?
Ganda ng sagot niya. Hindi naman ano, parang hindi naman dinaya yung sagot niya. Sinasabi na parang dinaya. Hindi naman dinaya.
Paranaque. Yan, isa rin sa Paranaque. Kasama siya.
Confident?
Ay, Paranaque.
So I will ask you two questions. You were able to pick a number backstage. After you talk for 30 seconds,
Hindi nga matanggap mo yung ano, yung taga Quezon City.
Kaya gumagawa lang yan sila ng ano. Gumagawa lang yan sila ng issue para.
your first question. To a child who has never seen
Ha?
a pageant,
Ay, na, nagun. Na.
I would tell that child that Queen is somebody who is first and foremost a human being. She's somebody that is proud of who she is, but
Ang
most
bagal ito
importantly,
sumagot
she's
yun,
somebody
naman.
that brings
Sabutan na siya ng ano.
when she wears
Sino?
that crown on her
Timer?
It's
Ah, kaya
not
pala.
Hindi pa tapos.
Oh.
Tingnan mo sumagot. Tingnan mo pag nagsalita.
It inspires her.
Parang,
Parang nagpapaliwanag sa raw.
parang iisip siya ng kung ano yung ano.
Parang nag-iisip pa siya kung ano yung susunod yung sabihin.
Oh, diba? Oh, yan na. Oh, yung times na.
Naabutan siya ng timer.
second question.
Isa pa yan, pangalawang question.
Ganun din.
Ay,
Parang hindi pa niya alam kung ano yung
susunod.
kung ano yung ano, isasagot na sa
Where do
susunod.
pageants stand in a
Hindi mo ha.
In my experience with the pandemic and being in one of the most most prestigious pageant.
O, di ba?
I've realized that pageants are something that can give Filipinos hope, and it's something that can give Filipinos something to look forward to. It's something that we as Filipinos, as a pageant-loving nation, it's something that we're so proud of. It's something that gives us life. And that's the relevance of the pageant. We help each other out, we help other people, and we help ourselves grow.
Hindi siya nakasali sa Qatar.
Kasali.
Ang ganda rin ang sagot niya kasi kahit naabutan siya ng timing. Ang ganda rin ang sagot niya kasi.
Kasali. Third year ako, hindi ko alam.
Applause, Paranaque, Maria Isabella
Ang
Ismael.
ganda rin kasi sagot niya.
Thank you so much. And that concludes the final phase of what must have been the longest journey of our candidates
Ang ganda rin kasi sagot niya kahit na
actually
ano
in
siya.
any pageant in the history of pageants.
Nandiyan si
Over 8
Gazini.
months.
Ang ganda si Jasine. O siya kasi magkukurunan yan.
Presentation in February, leaving only
Siya
these
magkukurunan yan.
five
Farewell niya yan eh.
beautiful and empowered Filipinas standing right here on our stage tonight. Let's go ahead and take a final look at the 5 phenomenal contenders for the crown of Miss Universe Philippines 2020, starting with Quezon City, Michelle Humaba.
Ayan, mag-aano na sila. Ayan, Quezon City. Yan ang nag-back out.
Ah, nag-back out siya?
Oh,
Bakit?
kulay green suit siya, siya lang wala dyan eh, sa lima eh, mamaya.
Ah, pag sa pictorial
sa mga
na.
pictorial nila.
Next up, Cavite, Kimberly Billy Hackinson.
Ang Cavite na pasama ngayon sa amin. Kala nga ngayon, so, hindi pala eh. Maganda naman si
Ang ganda naman po.
Thank you so much, Billy. Next up from Bohol, Pauline Amaling. Thank you so much, Bohol, Pauline Amaling. Next up, let's see Iloilo, Rabia Mateo.
Yan na, si Iloilo.
Ang signal ba?
Yan naman siya. Yan, yan.
Lalaro. Ikaw. Ano na?
Thank you so much, Iloilo. And finally, Paranaque, Maria Isabella Ismael.
Ano ba sa microwave?
Luwal yan ito rin.
Thank you so much, and there you have it. Once again, a round of applause for our 5 finalists.
Sarah.
One of the major perks of joining national contests like this are the prizes that are at stake for our winner. Here is an amazing showcase of the prizes for our Miss Universe Philippines 2020. Helping us crown the first phenomenal woman is the Villarica family from Himalayan, Bulacan, a place renowned of its Center for World-Class Craftsmanship in Fine Jewelry Making. They own Villarica Pawn Shop, the expert on gold and
Sponsor
precious stones,
Villarica.
backed by a 65-year experience in empowering Filipino women. The crown is aptly named
Ganda ng corona.
Ah, pangalan
Aside
niya
from the
po.
exquisite Villarica crown, Miss Universe Philippines 2020 will also bring home a brand
Yan ang mapapanalo na ng
MG
ano.
car.
Mamananalo.
Mananalo.
Expect the extraordinary.
Yan, kotse.
Plus all exclusive and lucrative management contracts, endorsements, and cash prizes, including being the ambassador of Olay,
O, di ka ng endorsement ka ng uli. Yan, lahat
as Miss
yan.
Realty the Home, and as Miss Cream Silk. Who will win these amazing prizes and emerge as the winner of the most coveted crown in the entire Philippines? Well, she is none other than... Yes, it's not happening right now. I'm sure all of you guys are screaming at your TVs and your laptops like, hurry up, Casey. You're just going to have to wait a little bit longer because we will find out very soon. Actually, right after this break.
Bakit wala?
Nag-break eh.
Wala na dito.
Naputol na yung ano niya.
Bakit wala dito? Bakit dito na nakikita? Sino?
Oo, online siguro siya. Ano ko? Hindi na po siya.
Tignan mo yung battle nila. Oh. Yan ang inaanuhan ng mga ano. Australia, di ba? Puro majijitim.
Mali yata yung tira ko.
Ano? Siya daw, biglang sabihin, siya daw yan daw ano, naglalakad daw yan, naglalakad lang daw siya, tapos nag-aasasanay daw siya magsalita ng ano.
Sino yung Pilipino?
Yung nanalo, si
Oo.
Rabia.
Ah,
Nakikita daw ng mga ano ba, ng ibang mga pageant.
Mga
Naglalakad, oo, magsasalita ng mag-isa, ano ba?
nagpa-practice na siya mag-isa.
Ako wala, na,
Tikla, wala, balita.
Wala balita
wala,
sa
wala
tikla.
nang balita, pakitikla. Meron na. Meron silang tandem na. Ano daw, hello? Walay na ba tayo? Wala akong pakto. Sino to? Tekla.
Ayun ako.
26 minutes. Palang sila nag-ano. No, 2.1 million subscriber na sila.
Kaya nga sumisikat ngayon sila kapag ganyan na ano sila.
Meron lang silang pag naka-1 million ka na pala, meron kang platinum ng ano.
May platinum.
Platinum bibigay sa'yo ng YouTube.
Silver plate.
Papadala sa'yo.
Nakalimutan, di ba?
Ay, Diyos ko, yan ka na magkakaroon ng swimming pool na bahay.
Ano ba yung pera ko? 35,000 ka lang. Super hard level na ako. Wala timer ba to? Ay, buti naman. Buti naman yung timer. Hindi nila alam sumisikat yung artista sa ganyan. Bash pa more.
Binas nila ng binas. Tik lang. Ano ba yun?
O, ano ka ngayon? Wala. May timer eh.
Bibig ko, zero.
Nalaman mo?
Hindi, magklase nga. Kaya magpakyat din yung mabuang yan. Makakyat eh.
Umakyat na?
Hindi, nandiyan naglalaro pa.
Dami naman commercial nito.
Yun, kita nila yun eh.
Ano?
Tapos,
Sabi mo pinto bakla. Ay ano?
Hindi
Dahil
ko makikita si Dudut. Dudut na sir.
kandado mo kasi kunin mo susi. Wala naman pupunta sa taas.
Taba.
Ha?
Si Taba.
Eh,
Wala na
sabi
bang
naman
tao
niya
sa
yan si Taba. Saan ba susi?
Wala na bang tao? Wala nang tao sa taas. Bakit? Pati yung kamay ko.
Hoy. Share ko na pala.
Panood ba si Inday ka ba?
Mamaya si Mandy, palabas nila yan dalawa eh. Palabas nila.
Ilan pa? Ay. Ano pala pa?
Laro niya.
Yan ang laro niya.
Nine.
Ay, nakita naman ako. Dinaya ako. Ang tama.
Sana na. Ayun. Sana na.
Wala kang plansahin.
Ang buot ko sa kanya. Akit ang akin.
Kaya maawat talaga ito sa akin na.
Mawar ka dyan. Tapong ko pa cellphone sa harapan niya. Pag ano.
Iloilo, sikat.
Iloilo.
Sikat yung nanalo. Iloilo ba naman?
Galing. Ang galing. Unang ginawa. Ang gano pa lang sila niya.
Napapakilala. Introduction pa lang yan.
Malakas ang laban. Gusto ko yung tinalungan siya ng crown niya. Bakit nawala dito?
Pinarangan siya. Sino?
Kaya nga, hindi nga niya ako pinapaplug siya, sila ulo nga.
Tapos kailangan alas 6, alas 7, doon ka makapagpapalay.
Wag mo na. Kasi, 4 pa kailangan ko. Oh.
4 na ba to?
4 na bomba.
Nagugpa na yun, di ba?
Ay, hindi yan eh.
Nagugpa.
Ito ano po eh. Ay, wala na akong time.
May time din pala.
May timer yun eh. 4 eh. Oh. Kailangan ko ng 4. 4 pa kailangan ko lang ng bomba.
Ano? Talo. Talo?
Hindi pa. Madami akong oras eh. 5 oras. Oh.
Ayun, meron na.
Ayan nga, pero 3 pa kailangan ko.
Ay, pasabugin.
Oo, kailangan pasabugin siya. 3 pa kailangan ko. Oh. Wala na, hindi ko na makuha. Wala na akong time. Wala na akong moves. O, diba? Wala na akong moves. Dami kong oras, oh. 5 hours. Kasi kailangan yun na mabutin mo. Yung 10 na yan. Hard level 2 eh. Diba? Loko-loko to eh.
Ito, hindi yan ano.
Pero ganyan yan
Parang
siya.
kuryente lang.
Ano siya, parang kidlat siya. Marami kasi akong oras. Wala na akong moves. Sus, Maria, dami ko oras. Ewan ko, alis na kami amo ko. Ewan ko kung alis na kami. Kaabaya na siya? Ako, alis na. Naku. Paktay na.